I don't have time. I want you to look at this statement and then think in terms of how many times in a day do you repeat this statement. Well, quite honestly, I use this statement a number of times, but I use this statement only for things where I feel can be handled by someone else. Probably it's not that important, where I can delete off the list or probably delegate it to someone, outsource it to someone, or maybe there is an expert who can handle the job way better than me. And I make sure that I spend my time doing only things that are significant to the growth of my business. By saying a no, or probably I don't have time for things that are not important, or for that matter not urgent in your agenda, you actually end up freeing up a lot of time which you can use probably in activities that are genuinely important and that can truly add value to you and your business. But quite honestly, what I have observed is the other way around. After doing a couple of sessions on personal development with all my mentees, what I've realized is they spend their most precious asset, that is time, into things which either could be delegated or outsourced, or probably they are not very important for their own growth or for that matter their business. So the next time when you tell yourself, I don't have time, pay attention to where you're telling a no. It could be a possibility that you are actually saying a no to things that quite urgently need your time, need your energy, and need your attention. I'm sure this video is gonna be very thoughtful and it will help you think in the right direction. And yes, if you're doing anything different or probably you have some productivity tips that you would like to share, it would be a great inspiration for others in a way to help people to take inspired action. So do share your comments in the comments below and let's work together in terms of living a productive life and more important, a life of purpose and direction. Sandhya Bajaj signing off. Bye-bye.